All right, so I just want to quickly show you this rotating lamp that the company sent me to check out because I think that it is so neat. Now, first of all, the base itself is pretty small. It does fit in the palm of my hand. And as you can see, it gives off like a warm light, a warm glow. And it does have a touch button at the top, so you can just touch it to turn the light off and touch it to turn the light back on. Now, the best thing about this is it rotates, so it can be folded up to completely be just like a pocket size thing for traveling. You can definitely use this for like camping, or if you're outdoors like trying to have a picnic or sitting and you need light. Once this charges, it does charge by USB-C cord, and a USB-C cord was included. There's a charging indicator there that will be red when it is charging, and it will turn green when it is completely fully charged. So it does fold up, or you can rotate kind of it, so you can rotate it to be a little short lamp, or you can rotate it to be tall. And you can see the design can be different as you rotate it too. You can kind of have that, or you can kind of have it a more straight line. Pop it up, pop it down. And again, it does stay charged once it's fully charged. It has a complete light runtime of 3 to 5 hours. So this is great for traveling, but it's also great if you're just looking for like a table centerpiece to give like a warm mood glow. If you're looking for a cute little lamp, I highly recommend giving this one a try.